While you don't need to create an account on Craigslist to browse listings or even to post a free listing, you should create one if you plan on posting a lot of things so you can manage your account better. It's easy to do. Go to My Account, then click here to sign up. Enter in a valid email address, and then enter in the letters you see in this box for security purposes. Click on Create Account. You'll then receive an email from Craigslist with a link in it you need to click on in order to verify your account. Then just choose a password, retype it, click on Submit, read the terms of use, and if you accept, click here. You can then go into your settings and save your area as the default page you'll see when you log into Craigslist, and choose how long you wish to stay logged in for. Make sure you click on Change to make your changes take effect. Now, when you finally decide to post something on Craigslist, like a piece of furniture or your old car, you'll be able to easily manage all of your items within your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next episode in the Fundamentals of Craigslist series.